Hello everyone. Today's topic is about schema refinement and data anomalies. So what is schema? Schema is nothing but a table which consists of rows and columns, and anomalies are nothing but a problems which we will be facing at the time of insertion, deletion and updation. Refinement refers to the refine the schema by using some techniques. The best technique of schema refinement is decomposition, as we have learned the decomposition earlier. So here normalization or schema refinement both are the techniques of organizing the data into the database. So here it is a systematic approach of decomposition. The tables to eliminate the data redundancy and undesirable characteristics like update anomaly, insertion and deletion. So first, what is anomaly? So anomaly refers to the problems occurred after poorly planned and unnormalized databases where all the data is stored in one table, which is something called a flat-like database. So without any decomposition, we are storing all the attributes in one table. So like here example SID, SNAME, course ID, course name and fee. Without anything, we have stored all the attributes, all the elements in one table, which is a unnormalized database. So here first is insertion anomaly. An insertion anomaly occurs when we cannot insert data into a table without inserting some other unnecessary data, where we have to enter our data which should be present before in a table. It happens because multiple types of informations are stored together in a single table. Like example, we are taking the same example like SID, student name, course ID, course name and fee. While we are entering the new data of course C3, while we are giving where we don't know which student and which ID of the student is enrolling in that course. So here we are substituting null. So it is violating the rule. So it is comes under the insertion anomaly. So next is deletion anomaly. So deletion anomaly mostly occurs when deleting one record unintentionally remove other important information from the database. Like example, we are taking the same example. So here in this example, suppose if we are removing the 103 student which leaves the course in between before the completion of that course. So we need to delete that row. The information about course and 6000 fee is completely lost because the deleting of row was the only record containing the course. So this problem comes under the deletion anomaly. Next is updation anomaly. An update anomaly occurs when the same data is repeated in multiple rows, and updating one row without updating others causes the inconsistent data. This happens because redundancy of the data exists in the table. So we are taking the same example. So in this table, suppose the fee for the DBMS course changes from 5000 to 5500. So we must update all rows where course name equals to DBMS. Now same course have two different fees. So database become inconsistent in this manner because DBMS course have 5000 in two rows which having different student ID and student name. So it forms an inconsistency in the database. So this problem comes under the updation anomaly.